Hi Libras, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Let us see what is coming up, Libras. I'll be picking few cards from this deck, guys, and I'll be picking few cards from the other deck for your daily energies and what you feel about this situation, guys. And at last, an angel guidance message. Wands. Libras, with these cards I feel there may be someone visiting you today with some kind of information or some gift, or your person, this may be your person, or this may concern your work. So somebody may from your work or your friend, from your friend circle, someone may be coming to visit you, or they may be calling you, talking to you, and you are you are having everything you want in your professional life, but in your emotional life you are not so content, guys. You are not happy. There is some kind of stress you are having. This may be in your relationship, or this may be regarding your work also. You feel somebody is trying to cheat you or trick you in your work. They may be trying to use you. You're feeling that kind of energy. This may be regarding your work. In your work you may find people using your time and energy and efforts, and getting a good name, and they may be using it to work benefits to themselves, other than giving the credit to you. So you feel people are cunning and they are working against you, guys. But that may be the energy with your work, and you may be completely satisfied in your relationship. You may feel it is a very good satisfying relationship there you are having with your person, and but this energy can be vice versa, guys. This may be what your person feels about this relationship, or what you feel, or for some of you all, this may be in your relationship that you're feeling some kind of stress. You may feel this person is trying to cheat you. They are not totally honest with you, and they are not devoted to you. They may have somebody else. So you are in doubt, guys. Some kind of confusions are there in your mind. You don't know how to overcome them. Maybe you're taking counsel from friends. You're discussing this issue with your friends. You want to know how to solve this problem. So let us see what is the reason, guys. What is the reason for your confusion today, Libras? This may be your person's energy towards you, guys, or your energy towards your person. Choices. So maybe this kind of stress in your relationship or in your work, this may be because you have that feeling that your work situation or in your relationship the situation is draining your time and energy, guys. and you feel you do not have any options, you don't have any choices. So you feel you're losing time, you're wasting your time, you don't know what to do. So that is the way you feel, guys. This may be because of what to say, that you're feeling burdened in your relationship, some kind of burdens you're feeling in your relationship. You feel you are the one responsible, guys, and for some of you all, it may be just sacrificing few of your ideals or beliefs to be in this relationship, and you don't want that. So you are really sad about it, that you have to give up your faith or your belief for this relationship. And maybe for some of you all, this may be a destined connection, guys, and that is the reason things are happening this way. This relationship was meant to be, so that is why this is happening. So maybe things are coming to a change, guys, coming to a conclusion. So or whatever, with this card I feel things are heading towards a concluding point. So your situation is going to improve gradually. So maybe you're reflecting within yourself how to overcome these problems, how to overcome these issues in your life. So you will be getting some unexpected improvements, guys. So that is the way I feel with this card. The negative energy is not going to last very long. This negative phase is going to conclude very soon, and you will feel that what to say, happiness and peace in your heart very soon, guys. So that is the energy with these cards. This may be the way you see this relationship, or what your person sees this relationship as. You feel this relationship is draining your time. You feel this relationship is draining your time and energy, and whatever you are doing does not matter, and you feel really sad, and you are in a position, maybe for some of you all, that you have to give up your beliefs and ideals to be in this relationship. So that may not be a good thing to do, guys. Whatever is our situation, we should never give up our individuality. So that is the way you feel about this relationship, that you are lost. You feel lost in this relationship, guys. So that is the reason, maybe for some of you all, you are just praying to come out of it. So let us see what the angels are guiding us to do, guys. I'll be picking one card from this deck, guys. What is the angel's message? Universal heart. So sometimes, just like I was saying, it may be a karmic cycle. You would have felt this great attraction towards this person, and you would have felt this person is very familiar even at the first time when you met them. So there is some kind of connection with this person, guys. Maybe this is a karmic relationship. So maybe universe has put you in this position to finish some kind of karma you had accumulated in past births. So that may be the reason that you are with this person. So there is nothing wrong, guys. All the experiences we have in life help us to learn valuable lessons. So it will help us to grow as a complete person, spiritually and emotionally. So that is the energy, guys. So that is what the angels are guiding us to do, to accept things as they are, and see the truth in any situation, guys. So that is the reading for today, Libras. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you all tomorrow with another reading. Bye, Libras.